Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about how to earn money online with Wix.com, and let's get start the video. Before we start up our topic, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon button. You never miss any update from our channel. And let's go. How to make money online with Wix.com. www www.wix.com. Drive traffic to Wix.com and get paid Wix affiliate program. Now we can open Wix.com website and you can see this website interface. Make money with Wix. Promote the world's leading web publishing platform. Start earning now. Become a Wix affiliate. Over 109 million people worldwide choose Wix to create their website. Share in our success Wix affiliate program. We give you all the tools you need to promote Wix on your website and earn top commission. Conversion rate for premium plans are through the proof. So direct your traffic Wix to earn big. Unlimited referral system on Wix website wix.com. How it works: number 1, sign up, apply for affiliate account. Number 2, promote Wix, plug in Wix creative and links your website. Number 3, get paid, profit when your referrals buy Wix premium plans. You can buy Wix premium plans, you can profit. After you get profit, you can buy everything on Wix website. Really good dashboard is really good. You can easily create website, e-commerce platform, online store, orders and fulfillment, drop shipping services and memberships, and online payments, multi-channel sales, point of sale, solution by industry, business tool and many more you can see on Wix website affiliate program. Now we can open Wix.com. You can now click on start earning now button and you can let's see, create a website you are proud of. You can click on get started button to get started. The freedom to create the website you want. www.wix.com. You can see customize your site, add advanced feature, edit your mobile view, optimize your search engine. You can click on start now button. Professional design website template, choose from 500 customizable website templates that are built to meet your business needs. See all website templates. You can see blog, business, online store, design, photography, education. Wix Editor Total Design Freedom starts from scratch. Choose from our 500 designers made template that you can fully customize using the drag and drop website builder. Make your site come to life. The video background, scroll effect and animation with the Wix Editor. You can create your own professional website exactly the way you want it. Now we can open Shopify.com. Our second website is Shopify. We can search now Shopify. Here you can see now Shopify.com. Now we can open Shopify.com. www.shopify.com. Sell online with Shopify, trusted by one our business worldwide. Now you can see beautiful themes that are responsive and customizable, pricing as low as $29 per month, trusted by our business worldwide. No design skill needed, whether you sell online, on social media, and store, Shopify handles everything from marketing and payments to secure checkouts and shipping. You can see the certificates of their website shopify.com. This is really good website. Shopify is better than any other platform who have played with them all. You can click on start free trial button and you can get start free trial now. See plans and processing, find product to sell, grow your business, need to build an e-commerce, create your free online stores, start a business, grow your business. Shopify for 14 days free trial now. You can sign up and you can get free trial for 14 days. This is really amazing. And third website is our Amazon. Now we can search Amazon.com, www.amazon.com. Online shopping for electronics. This website for online shopping. This is really good all over the world, and you can buy purchase everything from this website. Shop toys, game, mobile phones, everything on in this website. You can want to buy everything on website. You can see beauty pics, computer accessories, electronics, and you can see more everything you can purchase on this website. Now you can see you can make free trial on this account. Now we can open Apple products. Apple products. Now we can search Apple uh, Apple products. Now you can see Apple www.apple.com. iPhone accessories shop online, watch, make, support. This is really amazing website. Apple.com. You can you can buy everything from this website. This is really amazing. You can see the mobile phone Apple and really amazing website, and you can choose to buy everything from trusted website apple.com. You can see and you can buy. You can see before the video Wix website. Now you can secure your store, free trial Wix.com, Amazon, Apple products, and many more. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button. You can never miss any video from our channel. Thanks for watching. Create your online store is online store builder. Make a free website. Hope you open the Wix.com and you can see the Wix logo maker, Wix login. You can see top searches of Google terms. This is really amazing. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button. Allah Hafiz. Subscribe and subscribe.